下来下一组，请 Team Zero 上台。黑鼠吞噬一切吧，火焰之火之之焰，请到前方做准备。
Honorable judges and distinguished teams, we're Team Zero.
The skill that we are going to present today is building a new and rotational effect in a microgravity.
Our presentation will follow a structured approach, beginning with our invitation, followed by an introduction to the experiment, a list of required items, hypotheses and theories, a schematic model, and finally our predicted results. Have you ever noticed that after washing machine completes its cycle, the forces accumulate along the edge of the drum? This phenomenon occurs due to a lack of sufficient centrifugal force, causing the process to be pushed outward. Simultaneously, water and earth rotational motion. Water and earth behave in the same way under rotation motion. But have you ever wondered how spinning water could act in a microgravity environment?
Here's a video in which we attempt to spin water. Through this demonstration, we observe that as the speed of object increases, the outward placement of water becomes more pronounced.
The objective of our experiment is to observe the behavior of a rotating object covered with water in microgravity. We will first stabilize the gyroscope, after which the astronaut will hold the string with one hand while adding water with the other. Once the setup is complete, the string will be pulled out, allowing us to observe the resulting behavior of the water in microgravity.
The needed and the item needed for this experience equal a giant string, a paper cup, and water.
The formula of the bond number on the left demonstrated the dominance of surface tension in space. When the gravitational acceleration number decreases, the bond number will then increase. So the surface tension then becomes the dominant force in microgravity. Additionally, the weather number will decrease due to the increased surface tension coefficient. This means the water sphere becomes more resistant to deformation and breakup. The right schematic diagram illustrated the various forces acting in the water sphere in microgravity, including centripetal force, surface tension, and etc. However, because surface tension dominates force in space, we can neglect other forces. And the picture on the left represents the initial experiment setup in which the gyroscope will be stabilized and covered with water. Based on our theoretical analysis, we predicted that the water sphere will remain intact despite the rotational motion of gyroscope inside. The equation discussed earlier support the idea that surface tension would dominate over disruptive forces, leading to an unbreakable water sphere. Thank you for your attention.